JD's in Lundelman. Chicks with Dicks. This is it, finally, the 200 subscriber video. It's a little late, a little overdue, and giveaway. This is the third time I've recorded this video. The first time my SD card corrupted, second time the bike broke down, killed the vibe of the video, didn't feel like recording and uploading all that stuff. So here we are, we're gonna have a nice little boring video, but a video nonetheless. We are just commuting home from work. So yeah, the whole point of this, we reached 200 subs. That was the goal. Y'all got me there. I think we're at like 227 right now at the time of filming this. And I said I would do a giveaway at 200 subs, and I really want to do that. So here we are. Here is the 200 subscriber giveaway video. To enter the giveaway, all you gotta do is just comment on the video. Nothing crazy. The giveaway is not gonna be life-changing. T-shirt, sticker pack, keychain from a local shop around here. They have really cool graphics on their tees. I wear them all the time. So I think whoever wins will like it. But the biggest thing I want to say is thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't think I can say that enough. I appreciate all the subscribers that all got me to the goal. That was pretty sweet of you. So as my thank you back, I shall hook one of you up. Yeah, make sure you comment. Don't have to be subscribed. You don't have to be subscribed. Yeah, just comment. I don't care if the comment's blank. If I see your name in the comment field, I will assign it a number. I will throw all the numbers into a random number generator and pick the winner. I'll reply to your comment, say, hey, you won, shoot me an email, I'll give you my email. And then when you email me back, or when you once I get the winner picked, I'll reply to your comment, say, hey, you won, shoot me an email, I'll give you my email. Once you email me, I'll have a way to confirm it's you, to make sure nobody else is trying to claim the prize. I'll get your shirt size, shipping info, all that, and then I'll get it out to you. I'll email you a tracking number and stuff once it ships. But yeah, I mean, it ain't much, but it's a way I can say thank you. Appreciate it. I'm just doing this for fun. I mean, I'm not trying to become a YouTuber. I've got a good job. I'm not looking for a career. Oh yeah, I love that. We'll give the kid a little rev limiter. I forgot what I was saying. That kid distracted me. I don't know. I think I was in the middle of saying thank you. I can't remember. Thank you. Appreciate y'all. Oh yeah, what I was saying is yeah, I'm not trying to become a YouTuber or anything. I'm not really too worried about channel growth or getting views or stuff like that. I just have fun doing it. I obviously like to ride, and I enjoy the editing and uploading process and stuff like that. Even though my videos are very primitive with their editing, it's just cut and paste, you know. I'm just chopping up clips. There's actually not really much editing going on, but I still enjoy it nonetheless. And hopefully we can get out in front of some of these cars here. Most of these people turn left. I'm going straight. No! Why are you braking so hard? Let's see if this car turns left here. Most people that come down here turn left here. Hey, called it. Let's go. Maybe we'll have some open road. season's also winding down. I did a group ride with a Facebook group. Did a group ride with a Facebook group yesterday. Went up to a beach somewhere I've never been. Had about maybe 15 of us, 20 of us. It was pretty cool. I'm gonna try to get that video chopped up together too, but there's like 5 hours of footage that I gotta sift through, so I'm not really looking forward to that. But I mean, there's nothing crazy on that ride. It was a pretty chill, relaxed ride. Took a lot of back roads, moving as a big group. We weren't really ripping or pushing too hard. A little bit of highway. We had a little bit of fun on the highway, but for the most part, we kind of just moved as a pack to the destination. It was a nice beach. It was a cool ride. Got to see some cool houses, a few cool neighborhoods. I'll probably get that up in the next couple of weeks because it's going to take me a while to get through it all. Yeah, thank you again to everybody. Don't forget to comment if you want a chance to enter this. Don't forget to comment if you want a chance to enter the giveaway. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for the 200 subs. I think we're at 227 now.